Happy New Year, bitch. Anyway, as you can see over my shoulder, a 1988, 1989 Ford F-150 Bigfoot by Power Wheels. I'm about to get it in. In this video, what I'm gonna be doing is working on that paint a little bit. I saw a couple things on YouTube this morning. I be up early, about 4 or 5 this morning. I was on there doing some research. See, I'm about tired. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ricardo the barber. Thank you, homie. But anyway, yeah, fresh cut. Yeah, Happy New Year, bitch. Yeah, he did that there, cuh. I love you, cuh. Love you, cuh. Love you, cuh. But anyway, yeah, that thing back there, brother. We gonna get it in. I'm gonna get this paint looking right. I had to do everything on the inside because it's raining outside, but I still felt like I need to do something. You feel me? So y'all stay tuned. All the fans of the Power Wheels, that particular generation, first gen, y'all let me know what y'all think I should do with it. I got a couple ideas, as you can see in other videos. I've only had it about 2 days now, so I'm gonna make sure I keep this series up, this playlist up, so y'all have something to check out. My process of getting it some kind of way, you know, original preferably, but I was thinking about even putting my my YouTube, getting some more YouTube logos put on it once I get the paint straightened out. I'm not sure if I'm gonna paint it or I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna actually try this this little deal that I saw on there on YouTube. I'm gonna go through that here in a little bit, where I can try to get something out of that paint that's already on there without painting it, because I do not want to take anything apart. That's what my mind frame is thinking, just because I don't want to break anything. That plastic is old and everything, so y'all stay tuned. Boy, your boy got on that safety jacket and everything. Boy, we official around here, boy. Safety. Y'all hang tight, man. It's gonna be a fun, comedic, funny series, man, because I'm a funny guy. I love this stuff, man. This is what I do. Believe it, and you can achieve it. Look at my first ride back there, my first car. I got drip for sale, bitch. JRideReviews. So in this video, I'm just gonna go around tighten everything up. I think I'm gonna take this back bar off so that I can work on this paint, take off the old decals that are on the side, they're faded out, and just go from there, man. Y'all stay tuned. If I got a chance, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, please. Happy New Year's again. Bam. All right, so we're gonna try to get a little shine out of this paint. We're gonna see what happens. I also saw another video on YouTube about old plastic that you can use. Yeah, we official around here. You know that thing ain't got no brake fluid in it, but we're gonna make it look good anyway. How about that? Well, anyway, we're gonna try this little bit of car wax. They said that you could use new finish or turtle wax. I know about turtle wax personally. That stuff ain't no joke. So we're gonna try it. Bring a little bit of shine to this paint. New finish product. Like I said, I'm just gonna try a bunch of things, and whatever works, works. And if it doesn't, hey, we're gonna keep trying. Greatest risk is not taking one. So put some on my applicator pad. Rub it in a little bit. All right, so I wiped the wax off, as y'all can see. It brought it back out pretty good. I mean, for real. Can't really tell with my lighting up in here. I wish I was outside, but like I said, it's raining. I see a little bit of shine. What y'all think? All right, hang tight. I got one more trick up my sleeve. Bring a little bit more shine to it. Y'all hang tight. I'm gonna show y'all the after results after I do my next trick. All right.